Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring the iPad is updated. An up-to-date system avoids permission issues. Next, install and sign into the Google Drive app so your account is ready. Once done, open the Apple Files app, tap Browse, then Edit, enable Google Drive in the Locations list. This gives files access to your Drive folders and files. Make sure to grant any requested permissions, otherwise the connection will not appear and you cannot browse Drive inside files. Now that Google Drive appears in Locations, tap it to browse folders and files directly within Files. To keep things organized, drag and drop documents to local iPad folders or use the Share menu in third-party apps to save straight to Drive. When you need offline access, long press a file and choose Download. Make sure the Drive app remains signed and so sync continues. Also, rename or move items from files. These changes sync back to Google Drive automatically when online. Finish by verifying synchronization. Open both Google Drive and Files and confirm your recent edits show up in each. To keep sync reliable, enable Background App Refresh for Drive in Settings. This helps uploads run in the background. If something goes wrong, first toggle Google Drive off and on in Files Locations, then sign out and sign back into the Drive app. That usually refreshes permissions and forces a reconnect. If issues persist, restart the iPad and recheck the permissions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.